Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to turn on dark mode on and off on your Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. So first of all, open up your settings. Now scroll down to your display section. Here you'll immediately see two choices, light and dark mode. So to open up your dark mode, simply choose it and your phone immediately switched to the dark mode. Now press on dark mode settings, and here you can turn on as scheduled. So let's set a schedule. You have two choices. Either you can leave it on sunset to sunrise, so your phone will automatically detect the sunset and the sunrise time in your region, right? And the dark mode will activate after sunset and will be deactivated on sunrise. Or you can press custom schedule and adjust your schedule. When you're good with your schedule, so you've chosen your hours, minutes, AM, PM, simply press done and it will be on. Now to change your theme, once again, simply go back to this menu. For example, you had it on dark, simply press on light, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.